back to the Chef's Girl TV. It's actually quite cold today, so the inspiration for today's vlog is a dish that is easy to eat, it's warm, it's comforting, and you just have it on the couch while you're watching TV. So what we're making today is mozzarella in carrozza. So basically what that is a fried toaster sandwich. I know, it's awesome, right? So let's go through the ingredients. This is what I have to deal with on a daily basis. And that's why I just start picking out the ingredients. Ciao, Chef Diego! It's a beautiful, nice shape.
Basta!
Take us through the ingredients. We've got our slices of bread.
Pane. So usually one per person is enough because it's filled with a lot of stuff, crumbed, fried. It's very heavy. Michela wants to.
I'm having two.
So for the crumbing, we have the flour, the breadcrumbs, and the eggs. I prefer to start with the 2 eggs and add it maybe later if I need more. For the filling, traditionally, you have the mozzarella. Better if it's buffalo mozzarella. That's the way my mom used to make it for me. With the mushrooms, ham, and mozzarella.
And the most important thing that he's forgotten, oil. Diego!
No. Yeah.
Alright, we're not ready? We're ready? Alright, let's go. Alright, step 1.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make 1 vegetarian and 2 with meat. Sorry for how the ham is sliced, but unfortunately here in Australia at course they have no idea how to slice cured meats, and that's horrible, but that's what we have. So we're gonna put the ham. You can put inside whatever you like, okay? Just don't put fish.
Okay.
So when we fill it, we have to leave a little bit of border around.
Space around the edges.
Yeah.
Add some mushrooms on top. Chef Diego's just fried these quickly, tossed them in some oil on the pan. Just added some salt and pepper, but they need to be cold when we put them into the sandwich, so we just let them rest for a couple of minutes.
So what we're gonna do now is we have everything. We just cover it like that. We chuck it in the bin. So what we're gonna do here, we press, flip it, and we press like that. So we cut the borders.
Yep.
No one likes it.
I love the crust. I'll have one, thank you.
So when you crumble, always follow the rule: flour, eggs, breadcrumbs.
Flour, eggs, breadcrumbs. Got a step-by-step station.
Put a bit of salt on the eggs like that, and you get the mozzarella in carrozza. Then you press it in the flour. Okay. The sides. After, pass it here in the eggs. You shouldn't use your hands, but since we don't have a nice container, I'm going to use my hands. Make sure that the
Sides are covered.
help for
Lift it out of the bowl.
So what we're gonna do is we help with the breadcrumbs.
That's our breadcrumbs, mozzarella in carrozza, which is ready to fry. So we dab it, press onto it, make sure the flour's sticking to the bread, get all the sides.
Press very well on the sides.
Let me transfer it here.
Yeah, non prendere il cazzo. Dai, porca...
We're gonna have to get one more egg, like what I said earlier. I've got an eggshell in there. Okay, so here are our beautiful carrozze, all nice and crumbed, and now they're going to go in the fridge to sit for 15 minutes.
Yeah.
In the meantime, Chef Diego's going to do the
In
dishes.
the meantime, Chef is gonna play the PlayStation and you're gonna do dishes because I'm cooking.
Oh yeah, because I wasn't cooking either. The faccia. So, our 15 15 minutes has passed. Yes, I ended up doing the dishes. I've got a fry pan here, put some oil in it, and that's on medium to high heat.
So what we're gonna do now is just double crumb the sides, just because it's the dangerous part, because they can like leak like the mozzarella water or whatever.
Paura, how scary. This is the last one. So we end up using 3 eggs in total.
Check if the oil is ready. Just get a schnitzel.
A little bit of
There. You see that it's fried.
ready. So we've got our carrots there, and we're gonna start putting them into.
Careful. Help yourself with a fork so you don't burn yourself.
So you just fry them on either side. You wait till it becomes a nice brown golden color. So you can see it's becoming nice brown golden color. We're just gonna flip it over. If that's the color you want to see, or you want to see this. You're very good. Is that your little carrozza dance?
It's like a carrozza dance.
Wow. This actually smells so good. I honestly wish you could smell it through this video right now. It's like I'm giving it to you. This other side has cooked. Ready. Just gonna drain it, make sure there's no oil. And set aside. And that's it. That's one fried mozzarella in carrozza. Alright, so show us what it looks like when it's done. Yum. So stringy. You're not going to eat it, you're going to take a photo!
Oh!
This is so good. And it's as quick and easy as that. Make sure you try this recipe at home. It's one of the ones that can actually say, yeah, I could do that without Chef Eagle. Okay, that's all for today. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, The Chef's Girl, and look out for our next cooking vlog.